Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 7i and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find additional settings. Let's tap on it. As you can see, on the third position we've got date and time, so simply tap on it, and here we've got some options connected to the date and time. First of all, we can decide if we want to use 24-hour format or 12-hour format. Right now we've got 12-hour format, but in order to set 24-hour one, just tap on the switcher here, and as you can see, it immediately changes. Under it we've got the option if we would like to set the time using the network, so it will be network provided, or we can set it manually. So in order to do that, just tap on the switcher to turn off network provided time, and as you can see right now we can choose not only the time zone but also the time. So let me pick the time, for example, and here we can choose the date we want to use. So let me pick, for example, May, and here by swiping we can choose the time. So let me pick this one, for example, and as you can see, it immediately changes not only here but also on the status bar. We can change the time zone manually also, just tap on it, and we've just been transferred to the full list of available time zones from which we can choose. So all you have to do is simply find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied, but be aware that it will also affect the time. It will change according to it. Under it we've got two different options for home screen world clock, so display any world clocks you add on the home screen, or you can set dual clock, so to display the time of your current location and your usual residence. So if you'd like to check if you're traveling a lot, and if you'd like to check what time is in your home in your hometown, then you will be able to do that. You can switch them on just by tapping on those switchers, or turn it off by doing the same. So actually this is it. This is how to customize the date and time. So right now, if you'd like to get back to all previous settings, all you have to do is simply tap on the switcher to use network provided time, and as you can see, it also immediately changes. And if you'd like to use 12-hour format, just tap on the switcher here, but I will leave the 24-hour format. So actually that's all. This is how to set date and time in your Realme 7i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.